away they go. McDollar State Witness. Fast to begin from the outside is Benissimo. Angel Dugo down in third and running by the rails McDollar, rushing up Golden Hana, St. Mark, and So Gorgeous. Benissimo, State Witness down on the inside. Angel Dugo is racing third by some 2 lengths. Rounding the far turn, State Witness regains the lead from Benissimo. Angel Dugo is running in third by a length and a half. McDollar, Golden Hana as they race the final corner. State Witness by a length and a half, followed now by Angel Dugo from the outside. Benissimo down on the inside. McDollar, Golden Hana. And nearing the finish line, Angel Dugo is now the leader, followed by State Witness. And McDollar rushing up to take second. And finally, Angel Dugo. McDollar, Benissimo, Golden Hana, State Witness, So Gorgeous, and St. Mark comes last.